Another day, another beautiful machine at Mullin Machinery in New Jersey. Today we have a Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower milling machine. Has an Acurite 2-axis digital readout, 2 horsepower head, has a 4-inch riser block in the column. The table is absolutely pristine. Look how sharp those scraper marks. All the way down. No tool marks, no rust. Bridgeport 8F Powerfeed. That one's single phase. Black dials on the table. Chrome is perfect on the knee. Original Bridgeport 3/4 wrench. There's a little crack in this plastic Bridgeport nameplate, but that's the only blemish I can find. Let's see, first we'll run it in high speed. Head's pretty quiet. There's your power down feed. Okay, you want to see the digital readout? The readout's working. Okay. Show the table here. Here's your table feed. Slow. Speed picks up. I see him. Here we go back. The rapid traverse works. Just a real nice machine, folks. These super clean Bridgeports are hard to find. All original paint. All we do is clean them. We don't repaint them. The light's reflecting, so you're not seeing how crisp that table is, but that table is perfect. Check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.